Hello guys, this is Karan Udaypuriya and I welcome you to our JEE Advanced series. Our topic for today is differential equation, and this question may seem easy but has a lot more traps. So let's start. Having read the question, our target is to find limit x tends to minus infinity f of x. So the very first part that we have to solve is to find f of x. After finding f of x, we have to find the limit part. And the information given to us to find f of x is this differential equation. So we have to solve this equation for y and find x in terms of y and then substitute x, y here. So let's start solving the differential equation. I clubbed all the y terms to one side and all the x terms to one side. Now, the very basic rule to solve a differential equation when there are more than one term in the denominator and all are having linear powers. Here the power of y is 1, here the power of y is 1. So, we separate them. 1 by 4, 1 by 5y minus 2 minus 1 by 5y plus 2 into dy is equal to dx. How did I do this? When we have more than one terms in the denominator multiplied and the power of them are linear, so we try to separate them or into plus or minus form so as to put the logarithmic formula, that's dx by x equal to ln x. Okay, so we have separated this. You could check it now. dy by 5y by 2 minus dy by 5y plus 2 is equal to 4dx. It's clear. Now proceeding, we know the formula for dx by 5x integration is 1 by 5 ln x. Similarly, here if we integrate both the sides, integrating both the sides, we get 1 by 5 ln of 5y minus 2 minus 1 by 5 ln of 5y plus 2 is equal to 4 integration of dx. Okay, continuing, we take 1 by 5 as common and we know the formula that ln a minus ln b could be written as ln a by b. So here 1 by 5 ln of 5y minus 2 by 5y plus 2 is equal to 4x plus some c constant. Now ln of 5y minus 2 by 5y plus 2 is equal to 20x plus c. Yeah, this won't be 5c because it's a constant. Whatever you do to this constant, it doesn't matter to us. Okay, now some may ask, why is this mod for? Because anything inside a log can't be less than 0, or it can't be less than 0 or 0. This term should always be greater than 0, so that's why I put mod here. Now we have to use the information given in the question. If you have read the question, they have said that f of 0 is equal to 0. So using this information to find our constant, let's use this information. So we'll put x as 0 and y as 0. Ln of 5y minus 2, 5 into 0, 0 minus 2, 2 by 0 plus 2, 2 is equal to 20 into 0, 0 plus c. And we all know minus 2 by 2 is minus 1 and minus 1's mod is 1. And ln 1 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0 plus c. Therefore, we conclude that c is equal to 0. So our final equation we get now is 5y minus 2 by 5y plus 2 mod 1 is equal to 20x, right? So if we take 1 to that side, it becomes exponent. So we can open up these brackets. 2 minus 5 by 2 plus 5y is equal to e to the power 20x. Some may ask, why have I written 2 minus 5y instead of 5y minus 2? Because we are removing the mod now, and to satisfy this equation f of 0 is equal to 0, we have to put other way so that this becomes positive, so as to satisfy our equation. This is the common trap where people do mistake. They don't check that they are removing the mod and they write 5y minus 2 instead of 2 minus 5y. Okay, now so moving further, we have to find y, right? So we can apply componendo dividendo here. What's componendo dividendo? A by b is equal to a plus b by a minus b. Applying the same here, 2 minus 5y plus 2 plus 5y. So it's 4 minus 5y plus 5y. It gets cancelled by a minus b. So 2 minus 5y minus 2 minus 5y. So it's minus 10y. Yeah, you got that right. E to the power 20x plus 1 by e to the power 20x minus 1. Very good. Now we have to find y, our ultimate target. Therefore, from this equation, y is equal to minus 0.4 e to the power 20x minus 1 by e to the power 20x plus 1, right? So we have found out y. So our first target is achieved. Therefore, y is equal to, let me write it again, minus 0.4 e to the power 20x minus 1 by e to the power 20x plus 1, right? Now our second part of question, we have to find limit x tends to minus infinity y. So first of all, let's write the equation as it is. Limit x tends to minus infinity, and y, it's minus 0.4 into e to the power 20x minus 1 by e to the power 20x plus 1. Now, so let's put the limit x tends to minus infinity e to the power 20x. So in place of x we put minus infinity, and 20 into minus infinity is obviously minus infinity, there is no doubt in it. So what's e to the power minus infinity? E to the power minus infinity, we have to find this. Let's use graphical knowledge. This is the graph for e to the power x, right? This is a graph for e to the power x where this point is 1. Okay, now just use our knowledge. We have to find e to the power minus infinity, right? And from this graph one can say, when we go towards minus infinity, this graph goes towards 0. It won't cross the 0 line anywhere. So e to the minus infinity could be easily framed as 0. So now minus 0.4 into e to the power minus infinity, that's 0, minus 1 by, again here we get 0 plus 1. So minus 0.4 into minus 1 by 1. Therefore our answer is 0.4. Guys, hope you understood this question. This question was a very basic one where we have to find out targets, work on them and achieve them easily. The most important factor of this question was that mod part, which 99% people do mistake in the exam. Otherwise this question was very easy and good. तो अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए और कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपको किस टॉपिक के वीडियोस चाहिए इस सीरीज़ में. डू प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन, स्पेशली दैट बेल आइकन, टू गेट द अपडेट्स ऑन माई अपकमिंग वीडियोस. स्टे सेफ, ध्यान रखिए और मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. जय हिंद.